Hello everyone, this is Carlos and today I'm going to be giving you an introduction about the monitor that comes with the machine. The machine doesn't charge the monitor, so in order to recharge the monitor after you use it, you should hook it to the electricity. So I have the monitor. The first thing I can do if you want is they all have like this plastic on it. You can remove it. And then you'll take the monitor. Here is where it will hook to the machine. So you will place the bottoms, how to turn it on at the top, and this on the right side, and you'll slide it here on the machine, and then here you'll hook it where the USB port is. The monitor is an Android tablet, so to turn it on, we go to the top, we click on it, and then we go to the main screen. So we're on the main screen of the tablet, and then we can come here into the app program, turn it on, and then it starts. Or if we go back, we can also go to the apps selection, and then one of them called here Rp3 drawing. We click on it and also it opens. So to close the app, we'll go into this cell over here, click on it, and then slide it like a regular app. And then to open it, we click here, and then it opens it. So you could see now the cable is not connected to the tablet, so the tablet is not connected to the machine at this moment. We turn on the app, and then we see that the start drawing cell, the top one, is not lighting blue. So as we connect with the cable, we see it says that it's connected to the cable, we say yeah, and it lights blue. So we know that if the top cell is not blue, is that it's not connected properly, or we have forget to connect it with the cable. So in order to have the tablet working properly, you need to remember three things. The first one is put it on Wi-Fi. And if you are drawing in a place where there is no Wi-Fi, try to take the tablet and just put it on Wi-Fi sometimes so it can reorganize itself and download the updates. The second one is be sure the tablet is on the right time zone and the right date. And the third one is be sure you have the last software update for the app from the Google Play Store for the Rp3 app that is called Rp3 Data. So we're going to see how the tablet works. Very simple steps. So first one, tablet is on, is connected to the USB port, turn on the app, shows up, start drawing is light on blue as we talked, take the handle, and then I'm going to see how the first numbers appear. So I start drawing it a little, and you could see here how you can get the curve and also the numbers. So it's just like the regular drawing. You have time, stroke rate, you have a split, and then you have 5 cells on the bottom. What we just did was start drawing, and it just gives numbers. And now we want to say, I want to roll 20 minutes, or I want to roll 1,000 meters. You want to set a training plan, a workout. So the other chance you have is start drawing a training plan. So you'll click on training plan. So when we are on the training plan, on the left-hand side, we have set training plan. So we have 2,000 meters, 5,000 meters, 10,000 meters, 30 minutes. Let's say like we want to do one of them that already preset on the program. So we want to do 30 minutes. So you click on it, and then it will appear a screen. It says 30 minutes left, time 0, everything is 0. So you start drawing and you start discounting the time all the way to 0, and at the end it'll give you the results. So now let's say that we want to do something that is not preset on the trainings we have here on the left. So what we'll do is we'll look at the right hand side of the screen where it says plan here, and then we'll click on plan, and then it'll open that screen. Okay, so now we're here on the plan window where we're going to set our workout. So you see the first cell is distance, the second one is called strokes, and the third one time. These three first cells are the ones that will be determine the work. So when we're working, when we're not resting. So we can work by distance, by number of strokes, or by time. So we can say, I want to do 500 meters, or I want to row 30 strokes, or I want to work 5 minutes. The last one that it says rest is the rest between the periods of work, and the rest is always on time. So the rest can only be done on time when the work can be done on time, strokes, or distance. So now let's say we want to do one time 500 meters. So we'll come to the distance here and we'll click 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's 500 meters. We'll click that plus that is at the end of that cell, and then it'll send the 500 meters to the right. So if we don't send it to the right, it cannot be saved and used. And say like we only want to do this 500 meter time. So we say it's okay, we want to save it. So it asks us for a name. So we go to name and we say we want to call it 500. So this is call 500. We say okay, and then we save it. So it goes back to the preset workouts. We slide to the bottom one, and it calls here is R1 that is called 500. You see that X over here, it allows you to delete it. The others preset ones by program, you cannot delete them, but the ones you make or somebody make, you can always delete them by clicking here. And we want to do this one, we click here and it says 500, I'll start and it'll discount the 500 meters and show that as a result at the end. So now I'm going to explain you how to set up like a regular training plan with different variations of work and rest, and then different sets, and then execute it. So we go to the training plan, we click on it, we click plan, and now I'm going to say I want to do 5 strokes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strokes. You send it here. I want to rest 10 seconds. You send it here. Remember, you always need to send it to the right. And I want to do that 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So you can do different sets. So you could also actually here now the third work, you could put distance or time. You can mix them all if you want. Anyway, 5 strokes, 10-minute rest 3 times. I save it and let's call it FGH just to put a name. Quickly done, and then save it. So now I go and repeat to the end. The first one is here. I click it, and now it says different cells, 5 strokes. This will be the rest and 3 sets. So I start the training. As you are done with the workout, remember, you can turn off the tablet pressing the button over here, and then remember to plug it into the electricity so it's fully charged for the next time you want to row it. Now you know what the tablet has to offer. This is Ben Carlos. Thank you for watching.